Hey guys, this is just too funny to let pass up. This is Blizzard Rules crying.
For some reason, thousands and thousands of a Fireboy's channel just popped up. I don't know why, but what goes out?
Because I'm just that sexy. He was trying to watch my me drinking milk with 3 straws video and it just opened up automatically. It's like,
loading it on. Then out of nowhere, 50 of his channel showed up.
did you click it multiple times?
No, I just did it once.
Well, I'm not sexy, okay?
If they're not going away, nothing works.
I still find this amusing. I have no idea why.
Does nothing. And task does nothing. All control is really just being a jerk. For all I'm not responding, I can't close out of them. Oh crap, it's not a new one. Oh god. No, it's not good. Why won't they go away? Why won't they go away?
Oops. You can do it, Blizzard. You made it through worse. Actually, no, you haven't, but whatever. You don't know what I've done. You don't know the people I've been doing. That sounded wrong. Killing. Your name is now Angry Video Game Nerd Ripoff, except the opposite.
What?
I'm renaming you.
Close out, you tablet pages.
Blig. Your name is now Blig.
They're closing it. Only one of them did.
Your name is now Blig Blop.
That wasn't even one of them that I needed closed out. That's the only one that I actually opened.
Your name is still Blig Blop. No, it's not anymore. So anyway, I just found this funny. So
Why won't they go away?
Hee hee hee.